Euro this week against US dollar has dropped value. We can see it here from 1.10755 and got below 1.09860 and stopped at 1.0846. We can see that after the prices dropped down below this very significantly supply zone, currently is acting as a resistance. We can see it here. The price stopped just here and could not go below that, where we can see that the price on a Friday has jumped around between this resistance here at 1.09860 and below that was support 1.08846. So the price has opened and closed at the same price. Pretty indecision on the market. Now let's go and see on the weekly time frame what we have here. After the strong drop in the previous week, we can see this drop has continued and also has stopped at 1.08846. But what we can see, the price could not go above this very strong confluence of resistance. After the price has made a breakout to the upside, the price has gone up and then reversed back down because of the strong selling pressure above 1.1. Now if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. We can see that the price has gone above in the previous month, has closed above previous open and close candles. We can see it here. So this was also some kind of a bullish breakout to the upside in the previous month, where we can see that the price has gone up very strongly, but not the most top of the price, because we can see it here. The top was at here 1.127 in the several months ago. So this also was an attempt where we can see that the price has closed the month here above the previous open and close candles. We can see it here, which is also significantly a great signal for the bulls, which means the bulls have tried to push the price even more higher. So also this month, this January, will be also very important to see how this will close, because after this breakout to the upside, it is also expected that this bullish breakout is confirmed. That means we need the next month closing above this one, which means above 1.09860, this great resistance level, and also a supply zone. So if we take a look, it is very hard to predict where it will go for the next part of the month, but what we can see here is this one also. This is the first support, this second support where the price has stopped, then we have here support at 1.086 and then also about close to 1.083. so these are the levels where the price could drop on the monthly time frame before finding great support and then pushing the price even more higher. If the price closes below these price levels on the weekly time frame, we will see that much more clearly. We can expect that the price drops even more down. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that very important level is here at 1.08846, which is a very strong also support level for the weekly time frame. And what we can see here right now, the price has dropped, has closed this week just in between this resistance and this support level, which means indecision in the market. So it's very important to see how the price will behave around this support at 1.0846 next week. And if the price goes down below that, closes, then we can expect the price to drop down even more, and that is around 1.083 price level. And if it closes below that, this means it will go around 1.07825, which was also visible on the monthly time frame, which is the final support before going even further more down. But until that happens, we will need how the price behaves around this support level, around 1.08846, 86, 1.086, then 1.083. Let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. So we now currently have the price inside indecision range area with between the resistance at 1.09860 and support level here. We can see that on the Thursday and also Wednesday the price could not go up and down and did not find any great strength here at the demand zone and also here at the supply zone. But what we can see is that the price cannot break easily above 1.09, also 1.1 price level, which is a very strong and also a very important level for the bulls. Now what we can see also, this is a small uptrend channel where the price is currently outside of this channel. And also there is a high chance that the price will continue to drop down in value, but for now it is very strong, it is very indecision inside the market, so it's much smarter to wait outside to see where the price will make a breakout to the upside or to the downside. If the price closes below 1.08846, then we will see that the next level where the price will stop is 1.083. So for the sellers, it is very important level for the price to make a breakout to the downside, and it reaches 1.083 and then closes the day here. If it closes, then we could expect that the price could drop down even more around this support level at 1.07825. But if the price makes a breakout to the upside above 1.09860, this will mean also a bullish breakout, which will need to be confirmed, and the next level where the price could reach is 1.10755 as the next resistance level for the price. Until that happens, it is the best to wait outside of the market. But if you would like to check also daily analysis, how do I see this market, and also what are very important levels, very critical levels where the price could go, I also share the daily analysis inside the trading community. The link to the trading community you can find below in the description. And also, if you like, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.